Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Redvers, Saskatchewan is a small town located in the southeastern corner of the province, close to the Manitoba border. With a population of just under 1,000 people, Redvers serves as an important service center for the surrounding farming communities. The town sits along Highway 13, part of the historic Redcoat Trail, a route that connects a series of prairie communities and reflects the region's deep ties to Western Canadian history. Redvers was established in the early 20th century during the period of Prairie settlement. The arrival of the railway played a major role in its development, making it easier for settlers to move into the area and for farmers to transport grain and livestock to larger markets. Like many prairie towns, Redvers grew around this transportation link and the opportunities it created. Agriculture remains the backbone of Redvers and the surrounding region. The area is known for producing crops such as wheat, canola, oats, and barley, along with cattle farming. Over time, farming practices have evolved with modern equipment and techniques, but the land continues to shape the economy and identity of the town. Redvers supports local producers with businesses, services, and infrastructure that keep the agricultural sector running. One unique aspect of Redvers is its connection to nearby oil activity. Southeastern Saskatchewan is part of an oil-producing region, and this has added another layer to the local economy. While agriculture remains central, the presence of oil development has brought additional jobs and investment to the area, helping sustain the town in changing economic conditions. The history of the land goes back much further than the town itself. Indigenous peoples lived on and traveled through this region long before settlement, using the land for hunting, gathering, and movement across the plains. Their connection to the area is an important part of the broader story of southeastern Saskatchewan and continues to be recognized today. Today, Redvers remains a steady and resilient prairie town. It reflects a blend of tradition and adaptation, shaped by agriculture, natural resources, and community spirit. For travelers, Redvers offers a clear and authentic look at life in southeastern Saskatchewan, where the landscape and the people are closely connected. Thanks for watching!